Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to create a Python text game. In this game we are going to use uh, one of the method which is a part of a random module. So if I go to Google and I search for random module in Python, if I open over here, we are going to use this specific method as this is a part of the random module. This will help us to provide us a different integer every time when we specify a range. For example, suppose right now over here it is saying that as per the documentation random.rand init ab. So ab would be the value that we would be providing, and within that value it would be within that range of the value it would be providing us a random number generated by itself. Okay. So what you need to remember is the number would not be between a to b, it would be from a to b. That means as you can see over here, less than or equal to the value. So now let's go to our PyCharm editor, and over here let's create a new file. That's a Python file. I have created a Python file over here. So let's start with the program. So first, as I said, as we are using the random module, first we will import the random module. Once the random module is imported, let's provide a print message. So let's define a variable over here with the value as y. Now we will be writing a while loop over here where we would be using the same variable. Let's create our random number by using the randint method. So over here I am specifying 1, 6. So the number would be starting from 1 to 6. It would not be between them. Just remember that. So as we have defined our number variable over here, let's start giving if condition. So over here what I am doing right now is I am creating a visual text output which would get displayed like a dice. So just bear with me. Okay. So we are almost done. So over here, what I have did is we have written a while loop. So what this while loop is going to do? So this while loop is going to, once we enter the while loop, it is going to generate a random number. Once a random number is generated, based on that, the if condition is going to get triggered. So if you see in the print, in print, I have explicitly created a text which looks like a dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which are the six numbers of dice. So over here you can see. So as soon as a random number would be allocated to number, it would go ahead and it would show us the text output for that specific number. So now let's finish this program. So if the user wants to continue the game, so in this scenario we can give him the option. So based on the output, if the user is going to press N, we are going to complete the game. That's it. So let me save this program that we have written. So let me just reiterate it once again. So over here we have used the random module. By using the random module, we have used the method which is going to create a random number from 1 to 6, and based on the number generated, it is going to provide us the print section of the number that is getting generated. And once every time a dice is rolled, it is going to ask you, would you like to continue? If yes, it will roll the dice again with a random number. Otherwise, it will exit the program. So I have saved the file. Now let me go run this program. So let me just maximize this for you guys. Let me just have a semicolon over here. Okay, that's it. Now when we are going to run the program, as soon as I run the program, it gave us 2. If I press on Y, it gave us 6, because there is a random number which is getting generated, based on which we are getting different output for our dice that we have created, the text dice. Again I press Y, 4. Again I press Y, 3. If now I am pressing no, it is saying us goodbye and the program is exited. So thank you guys for watching this exclusive small game which boosts up your confidence for writing the Python code. In future I would be posting more text games. I hope you would enjoy it. Thank you guys.